Managing risks is a crucial part of our job, but it's time consuming, and I've already discussed that in one of my previous videos. Today, I want to show you practical steps on how AI could help us. I will show you how to write the perfect AI prompt to identify risks and analyze them and build a risk register efficiently. My name is Mohammed Nabtiti, a certified project management professional, risk management professional, and a PMI by AI professional. By the end of this tutorial, you will be able to feed generative AI with a powerful and a well-structured prompt that gives you back precise and useful risk insights. Remember that AI is only as smart as the information you give it. To help it generate accurate risk analysis, we need to provide it with the following: project context, stakeholders and roles, project constraints, external factors, and historical data. And after that, you need to ask it what you need. In our case, we wanted to generate a risk register, which includes identifying risks, analyzing risks, and you also need to identify the format in which you want the output of the AI to come with. Now, let's move to writing the perfect prompt. Here is an example. The first thing you want to type in your prompt is a summary description of your project, including the objectives. This will set the overall context for the AI. Let's say you're running an IoT project for monitoring a fleet equipment in a logistics company that provides fleet management services to its clients. Then you need to identify your stakeholders. Let's say these are the fleet and operations managers, the engineering teams, the maintenance teams, the logistics coordinators, and the company executives. And of course, you need to include your project constraints. Then mention the external factors impacting the project. These could be regulations or technology constraints or environmental conditions because extreme weather might affect your sensors, or market competition because your competitors are using AI. From experience, you or your team must have had similar projects in the past. What lessons did you learn from history? This is the time to mention these lessons learned. Now, after you've given all the background information about your project to the AI, it's time to say your request. Of course, according to the risk management professional standard, you want to start by identifying the risk. You also want to categorize them into categories that you choose. Now it's time to perform analysis. I choose qualitative analysis for this tutorial, but you can request the AI to perform quantitative analysis if you have the supporting numbers. Then define what the risk register should include. Basically, it should include the risk description, categories, probability times impact rating, the affected project constraints, and of course the risk response strategy. And last but not least, you should define the format of the generative AI's output. This prompt ensures that the AI understands the full context of your project, which helps it generate risks and mitigation strategies that are also highly relevant to your project. And remember, the more details you add, the better the results, even if you add more details later after you've already received the first response. As long as you are in the same conversation in ChatGPT, you can always refine your input information and add extra details, like risk tolerance or past scenarios or anything. This method in prompt engineering is called chain of feedback. Think of it like the agile feedback iterations. You review the output of the generative AI and you interact with it. You have a conversation with it. You can ask the AI to refine the output by adding more details or even by adjusting your request. If you found this tutorial useful, please like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials on AI project management.